Reef DVM's coming at you with kind of a fun project. We put a pedestal mount grill on our pontoon. These things are quick release bases, and they fit the stainless steel grills that you can buy. This one is, I believe pronounced Kuuma. I'm not real sure on that. My daughter wanted to really help install it, and it looked pretty simple and easy, so I let her take a whack at it. The pontoon on the farm is a used pontoon, but it's been a great boat for us. It's a Tahoe, and we really like it, but we wanted to put a grill on the back of it for when we're out with the family. So went down to our local dealership and picked one of these up. I really didn't want to hang it on the rail. I've watched that in the past with other pontoons, especially with pontoons with just light little flimsy rails. After a while, it seems like the waves beat on the grill and the rail and things come loose, and I didn't really want that. So what I liked about this one is you can mount it right into the decking. The only thing I caution you with that is take a look under your decking and see what's underneath to make sure you're not hitting any wires or anything. In my situation, I wanted it specifically on the corner, and I wanted it so that I could reach the grill without having to leave the rail area, so I could stay inside the boat and still reach the rail. And I also wanted it so it was easy to remove for when the pontoon is in storage. I can just walk up to it and take it off. I don't actually have to enter the boat to disconnect or connect the grill. So as you can see here, Anna's opening it up, and it's pretty much a stainless steel little beast. Boy, it's been used now several times, and it does get really hot too. So here it is. This is the base. It's not where it's going to be. I'm just kind of showing it here. Anna's just got it stood up. We've got the little gas regulator in it. Then we're going to go to the back of the boat. We put the ring where we want it. We looked underneath to make sure there's no wires. It's really simple, folks. It's 4 screws. Literally, you just take 4 screws, screw this thing right down to your decking. In this case, we've got kind of a vinyl flooring over the quarter of about 3/4 marine plywood. Screw that baby in place. And then on the bottom of the pedestal, you've got kind of these 2, carriage bolt heads that you got to slip in and then rotate. So once you find the kind of correct spot, you slip them in, and then you rotate them, about a 1/4 of a turn. And then you just snap down these big wings, and that thing just gets tighter than tight right to the ground. And then on the top, there's 2 nuts that screw into the bottom of the screw. The screw into the bottom of the grill. And I leave those on now all the time. When I take this thing off, I just leave it on the pedestal and take the whole thing off. It obviously is not this clean after I've used it a bunch, but again, for the sake of the install, it went together really easy. When I say we probably had this thing in 20 minutes, I really do mean it. It was not a difficult install at all. We've now used it for the summer. Absolutely loved it. Things I really like about this grill, I do like the little lockdowns on it. It's really handy. You don't hear the cover chattering away when you're on wakes or when you're driving. And I like the fact, too, that the gas regulator does come off, so you can literally take it off with the tank on if you wanted to. I think that makes it nice, too. So quick and easy install on the pontoon, folks. It's pretty easy to add a grill. Now, obviously, people add them to the rails, but I didn't want that, so I put it on a pedestal, and it's really not hard to do. I'd highly recommend it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll keep putting out great videos like this.